Hi, this is Mike, and we're looking at the XLM chart. So for stellar lumens, I also have an alternative count that could explain this insane choppy corrective pattern that we've been looking at for the past, well, couple of years almost. So my interpretation now, given that we're more bullish in nature, it really just stems back to the beginning when this pattern started, and we saw a couple of ups and downs happen pretty quick, which I've labeled as a wave one at times and gone back and forth a little. So at this point, I'm leaning back towards the ABC happened at the highs type of thinking. Um, Very sharp waves. The first one, you can't even see it. The second one down does look like a zigzag, which is interesting. And then the other one looks like it's basically a five wave move in this case. So with all the choppy ones out the way, how does this fit with the rest of the chart? so so basically, the expanded wave down is a D wave, which is the only way I can basically make sense of this without the other view that I had. E wave occurred here, and it was definitely a weird wave, which wave E's typically are weird, strange looking waves. Um, and then we had a wave three, because we are looking at five wave moves down, very similar to other markets. And then I had to reanalyze this part here. So wave D, expanded wave Ds seem to be, you know, um, what's going on. It's the main theme of this chart, of this wave. So if you look back at wave D, in wave D up to highs here, that was also quite a strange, well, not strange, but it was kind of sharp and big. Also, look at the E wave. Look how strange that E wave looks. Um, it's definitely quite unusual for a wave E, which, like I said, they're weird waves. I mean, if you look at these are probably the two weirdest waves in the whole on the whole chart. Okay, so at the moment we're also in a wave E. So will this turn out to be a weird wave? I would say so. Um, Definitely, there's going to be a lot of confusion at this low, which is what I think wave E's do. They cause confusion. People getting in and out of trades, really just questioning what's going on. I think that's the reason why they turn out to be so weird. But yeah, I did relabel this area down here, and turns out that this is the final product. So A, B, C, and then D was expanded, as I mentioned. CDE pattern in here, and then the C wave. So all in all, that's what I believe is going on. So moving forward, I just expect to see this strange wave E unfold. However, it's going to unfold, and at the end of the day, it's going to be weird. I have a feeling it's going to be weird simply because of timing against other markets, timing against Bitcoin, timing against the stock market. When it comes to these inflection points that basically precede the final wave in a move, I think they all kind of line up and happen at the same time. Um, and usually the last wave is pretty sharp, looking like the end of the world, and then bounces hard. So with that type of hard bounce, I think that will come the new bull market, and it'll take XLM significantly higher, and will likely last during the duration, similar duration of basically stocks higher and the euro, specifically the euro, right? Whenever that gets to where it's going, we'd be looking carefully at all the waves and counting them, making sure that we understand what each one's doing. But like similar to what happened in 2017, I think it'd be interesting to see the types of moves that we see, like impulsive followed by corrective, impulsive, corrective, that type of thing. I do believe that the move that's coming is going to be longer than the first wave. Um, I do think this is a wave two, um, simply because of the magnitude of the wave that's expected in the euro. So that's going to be really interesting. The US dollar is going to fall significantly, and that'll lead us to some good profits there. So hopefully you found this video interesting and informative. Thank you for watching.